Committed. Look. Not long enough to be donated. You think this is 6 inches? Oh, that is so jagged. Holy mackerel. It's not shorter. I'm just imagining it. It's too long. I want it to be like even. Do you want to use the machine?
You'll be like, she's the worst puppy ever.
I have the video on.
She's the worst puppy ever.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
She's Dad's work dog, and it is the best friend of mine.
tulips. We are installing a pet door. We have been wanting to do this for a little while. I feel like we just live in the right spot to have a pet door where they can just come and go as they need. So that's what we've been thinking. We thought we were gonna take the door off its hinges because, you know, just watching the tutorial videos, it seems like that would be the easiest way to do this. But the door's hinges are embedded into the wooden frame that's around it. And so there's no way for you to take off the door without taking off the frame, or at least, and with our little bit of experience, we don't see it, and we don't want to risk ruining anything. So we're just going to, royal we, are going to do it while it stands, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah. Hi. Oh! Are you going in, Puffwoods? Yeah, you can do it. Are you scared? Are you scared, baby? She realizes that she's not in danger. Oh, there she goes. Oh, you're such a good girl. Everybody's inspecting the doorway. She did it. So look at the weight. Do you want to close the door and try to do it with the door closed? Go through. Yeah. No, nothing to be scared of, baby girl. Do you see? Put your head through. Put your head through. You have to go through. Do you see? Do you see how you can go through? Yeah, do you see it? Yeah, good girl. Oh, her legs are so short. The silver is trying to get in too. Go. Go ahead. No. I need you to understand that you can go through. No. Go ahead. No. He's so scared of the door. Pachoo. There we go. Good cat. like he's not such a pupper. He's not such a pupper.